Good morning everyone. I am Saranya, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Technology, SNS College of Engineering. Today my students discuss about OS layers in data communication networks. Let's start with OSI layer definition and types of.
Introduction of OSI. OSI model is set of rules that explain how different types of computer communications over a network. OSI model was developed by ISO. The OSI model has seven layers. That's it. The OSI model consists of 7 layers, and each layer has specific function and responsibility.
OSI. There are 7 layers in OSI model. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Physical layer. The lowest layer of OSI reference model is the physical layer. It is responsible for the actual physical connection between the devices. The physical layer contains information in the form of bits. Common physical layer devices are hub, repeater, modem and cables.
Data link layer. The data link layer is responsible for the node-to-node delivery of the message. The main function of this layer is to make sure data transfer is error-free from one node to another over the physical layer. The data link layer is divided into two sub-layers, logical link layer and the media access link layer. Functions of the data link layer: framing, physical addressing, error control, flow control, access control. Network layer. The network layer works for the transmission of data from one host to the other located in different networks. It also takes care of packet routing. Selection of the shortest path transmit the packet from the number of routes available. The sender and the receiver's IP address are placed in the header by the network layer. Segment in the network layer is referred to as packet. Functions of the network layer. Routing. The network layer protocols determine which route is suitable from source to destination. Logical addressing. To identify each device in the network and unique, the network layer defines an addressing scheme.
Transport layer. Here are 5 key points of transport layers. End-to-end communication. It handles data transfer between two devices. Error checking. It ensures data is in loss or corrupted. Flow control. It manages the speed of data transfer. TCP versus UDP. TCP is reliable and connection based. UDP is faster but less reliable. Segmentation. It breaks large data into small chunks and for easier transmission. Section layer. Section layer establishes maintenance and terminations. The layer allows two processes to establish users for synchronization. The layer allows a process to add checkpoints that are considerable synchronized.
Presentation layer. Presentation layer is also called presentation layer. Presentation layer is also called transmission layer. The data from the application layer is manipulated for the record format network using the presentation layer on JPEG, MPEG, GIF, TLS and SSL, etc. Application layer. At the very top of the OSI network model start layer, we find the application layer bit important by the network application. Manipulate using the application layer are SMTP, FTP, DNS, etc.
Conclusion. The OSI Open System Interconnection model. Open Connection Interconnection model helps to understand how the data moves in internet. It consists of 7 destination layers: physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation and applications. Each layer has specific responsibilities and the internet interact with layers directly above and below. Since OS framework still while to use understand the network issue. OS layer does not work independently. Each layer depends on the services provided by the layer. before and after. Provide the service to layer above it. Thank you.